behind the bushes. Good morning or good afternoon and welcome back to the video. Today is the longest day, 148 kilometers in the cards. We've already done close to 100, I think, almost 80 kilometers. We made really good progress today. In fact, today the plan was to cover as much ground as we can or could with minimal stop, just for water and coke here and there, but overall press on and not waste any time because we need to get it go on time. We need to get to beach on time. I need to go meet my wife and my dog Flash. I'm super excited. That's the coast of Karwar. We're still in Karnataka, a few kilometers away from entering the state of Goa. Man, feels monumental. Had a little bit of a sketchy morning at our beautiful resort that we were staying at because it was kind of shady, you know. It almost felt like being a foreigner and almost being scammed. We ended up basically getting the entire thing on comp because, forget the details, absolutely disastrous. And look, a Tu-144. Huge Navy base here. I think the boys all about it. Being a military kid, I have a little bit of an insider knowledge of what goes on, what's been going on in Indian defense, at least from an information standpoint. Very different to what other militaries around the world are, especially when it comes to families and growing up as a military child. Made it. Jello, baby. Just another 40 kilometers to my place now. Ish. Yeehaw! So I'm taking the boys to my favorite mid-ride coffee and cake place. You can also get more than coffee and cakes for the mill. Super nice, it's vegan. I think they also have vegetarian options, so they'll be happy. But they basically have the best vegan chocolate cake I have had in a long time. And I love doing my rides and basically having a pit stop over here, smash some nice espresso and this vegan chocolate cake. Lawrence, you tried.
Rode 10k like this.
I know. It was Francis's job to keep it secure. Failed. Clearly failed. And then you came to the rescue. You did whatever you could.
I failed as well.
I mean, you did your best.
I did my best.
You did your best.
That's all I can do, man.
That's all you can do. So now when Steffi sees this video, and maybe when we get her reaction, we'll know, was it worth it?
What happened? Look
What
at the state
happened?
of it, look.
Bye bye. Hello, wife. I have finally met my wife. We take a left over here, and we've finally come to the last stretch of our ride, which is the beach. And that little heart there is my home. And that little blue thing is the Indian Ocean, the Arabian Sea. I think this marks the end of the 1,000 kilometers. We're finally gonna jump into the ocean. I mean, we've tried jumping the past few days, but it never happened because, you know, you're not at home. But this beach, I know, is safe. I know the structure. And we're all gonna jump into the ocean now. Cannot wait. The ocean here, bro. We haven't been doing this. did it.